Have you ever wondered what two simple ingredients could hold the key to unlocking a healthier, happier you? Well, today we're going to explore the incredible wonders of olive oil and honey, two natural treasures that have been revered for their health-boosting properties for centuries. You're drizzling a golden stream of olive oil over a bowl of vibrant fruits, its aroma filling the air like a promise of wholesomeness. Then, you add a touch of honey's sweetness, its delicate flavor dancing on your taste buds. This isn't just a culinary delight, it's a powerful potion for your well-being. Olive oil, the liquid gold of the Mediterranean, is brimming with heart-healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. It's like a guardian angel for your cardiovascular system, protecting your heart from harm. Honey, on the other hand, is nature's sweet gift, a natural sweetener that's packed with antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. It's your body's natural defense against invaders, keeping you strong and resilient. Together, these two powerhouses form an unbeatable duo, ready to transform your health from the inside out. 1. Heart health heroes. Olive oil and honey are like two loyal knights, standing guard over your heart's well-being. Olive oil, with its rich content of healthy fats, helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and raise HDL, good cholesterol, keeping your arteries clear and your heart happy. Honey, on the other hand, helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. 2. Immune system invigorators. When your body is under attack, olive oil and honey come to the rescue. Olive oil's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds help protect your cells from damage, while honey's antibacterial and antiviral properties fight off infections and boost your immune system's defenses. 3. Digestive delights. If your tummy is feeling a bit out of sorts, olive oil and honey have just the remedy. Olive oil acts as a gentle lubricant for your digestive system, easing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Honey, with its prebiotic properties, nourishes the friendly bacteria in your gut, keeping your digestive system in tip-top shape. 4. Weight management wizards. Contrary to popular belief, olive oil and honey can actually aid in weight management. Olive oil's healthy fats help you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings and preventing overeating. Honey, with its natural sweetness, can satisfy your sugar cravings without the guilt, making it a healthier alternative to processed sweeteners. 5. Cough and cold comforters. When a pesky cough or cold strikes, olive oil and honey are your allies in the fight against discomfort. Olive oil's soothing properties can ease a sore throat, while honey's antibacterial properties help fight off the infection. 6. Wound healing wonders. If you've got a minor cut or scrape, olive oil and honey can work their magic as natural healers. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and promote skin healing, while honey's antimicrobial properties keep the wound clean and prevent infection. 7. Skin saviors. Your skin, the largest organ in your body, deserves all the love it can get. Olive oil, with its rich antioxidants and vitamin E, helps nourish and moisturize your skin, keeping it soft, supple, and radiant. Honey, with its humectant properties, helps draw moisture into your skin, keeping it hydrated and healthy. So, as you can see, olive oil and honey are not just culinary delights, they are nature's gifts, packed with incredible health benefits. Incorporate these two ancient treasures into your diet and experience the transformation from the inside out. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovering the wonders of olive oil and honey. Remember, a healthy body starts with mindful choices, and these two simple ingredients can be the key to unlocking a healthier, happier you.